These kinds of pictures have gone super viral on all social media platforms, especially on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The cool thing is, these art style pictures are actually super easy to make. Everyone is following this trend. But did you try this portrait and bokeh images in Ghibli style? Well, everyone will show to create Ghibli-style photo, but not one will explain you to create portrait with bokeh-style Ghibli photo. With just one original bokeh images, you can use ChatGPT to turn it into this kind of trendy Ghibli bokeh for free. All thought if the image is not even portrait bokeh style. So, if you're someone who loves following trends and want to turn photo into one of these art pictures, this tutorial is made just for you. Just give it 2 minutes of your time, and you'll learn the full editing process. First, go to ChatGPT. Then, in the prompt box, click to plus icon and upload the image. I am uploading a portrait image. Then, in the prompt box, type, "Make this image to portrait bokeh style Ghibli photo." This prompt and click to generate. In few seconds later, your image will get ready. As you can see, this image has been beautifully converted to Ghibli style. Click and download the image. Let's try another one. This image is also in portrait, but not in bokeh style. As we said, we can also turn the image into portrait bokeh style. Go to ChatGPT. Just click the plus icon to upload your non-bokeh style photo. In the prompt box, type, "Create this image as a Ghibli portrait bokeh style photo." Click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your bokeh style image will be ready. Now simply download the image and you're done. Now your picture is all ready to be shared on social media. If you liked the video, definitely share it with your friends who love keeping up with these trends.